Do you think men or women have a larger brain?
I think women have larger brains because I'm a woman.
Women, of course.
Men, of course.
I'm just going to go with woman.
What we have found regarding the brain and the difference between men and women is that men's brains are bigger. 10% bigger on average. But if the old adage ever applied, it does apply here that size doesn't matter, because women tend to have more of what are called neurons, or the cells that actually do the hard work in the brain. So despite the fact that the men's brains are bigger, they're less dense. And women are more dense, but in the best sense of the word.
If you had to say one thing that a man was better at than a woman, what would you say that would be?
Athletic.
Auto repair.
Men are good in cooking, I think.
In collecting money, they are the great.
They're not better. Maybe not quite as good as women.
Women are better talking a lot.
Women are smarter. Just kidding.
If you're imagining a 3D image and you want to rotate that image in your head, just so you could see all the various facets of it, flip it around this way, flip it around that way, around. Men are better at that, as a general rule. Obviously not across the board, but men are better at that. Women are much better at taking lots of different tasks and somehow organizing them.
I bet you women would like to know what men are really thinking. The truth, the honest truth of what men are really thinking. Because I could tell you. Would you like to know? All right, I'll tell you. Nothing.
Do you think men and women think alike?
No, I do not.
Lord, no.
A man and woman's brain, I think, work completely different.
Men and women think differently, and there's a lot of miscommunication.
Well, I think we're all aware that there are sex differences in the brain between men and women. I mean, we encounter that every day. The way we speak, the way we conceptualize, how we go about our everyday tasks, whether we ask for directions or not. And we laugh about these, and they seem to be trivial, but the fact is that these differences are hardwired in the brain, and they have serious implications for your health.